All right. Hi out there. Welcome to Forum Arts Center. Super excited about our new workshop we have coming up for you. Create and Elevate is going to be amazing. We're going to be doing drawing, sculpture, painting here at Forum Art. We'll share our portfolios. We'll do a group project. It's going to be amazing. This space is great. Part of the Create and Elevate workshop will be creating an art exhibition that we'll all partner together and collaborate on. If you've ever thought of maybe starting a career or looking at a career in the arts, this is the place to sort of look around. You'll meet all sorts of art professionals here. Yeah, come on by. It's Forum Arts Center is full of creativity, and like I said, we'll be doing painting, sculpture, drawing, lots of hands-on stuff.